PHP for loop. The for loop repeats a block of code as long as a certain condition is met. It is typically used to execute a block of code for a certain number of times. That is, if you know the number of times you want a particular block of code to run, then you can use the PHP for loop. So let's check it out. So we create our PHP tag, opening PHP tag and closing PHP tag. Now, the syntax for a for loop is pretty straightforward. So you just do for like this. But inside of your brackets, you put your first initialization. So we initialize I is equal to 1. This is called initialization. The next one is our condition. So we say I is less than or equal to 30. And last but not the least, the increment, which is I plus plus. Then inside of the for statement, the for loop, we now create the code that we want to run. So this is it. We say the number is I. You can see it's almost similar to the while loop. It's just changing some things around. Okay, so this is the syntax for the for loop. And if we run this right now, so I'm going to open the for loop right now. And as you can see, it runs correctly. Very simple, precise, and straightforward. So guys, this is it on PHP for loop. I will see you in the next one.